Hi guys, in this video lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to run Python program in Warp. So let's open the Warp ID. So this is already installed in my Windows machine. So first here, I'm going to show you the file. So here, Python tutorial directory is there. Here you can see test.py Python file is there. So the next is here, if I go on this tools tab, here you can see. So this here on this desktop. So file is in desktop, so that here I'm going to use this command cd desktop. Press enter. So this here you can see on this desktop, this all directory and files are there. Now here moving on this Python tutorial. So cd, then here writing Python, then tutorial. Python tutorial, let's use the ls command. So this will display there. Here you can see list of files. So Python files are this all. Now the next is this here, double clicking on this test.py. So this is the code. So this code is here to print the tick-tock program. So tick-tock code is there. So this is going to run. So this is too simple. Here you need to write their Python, then give their file name test.py. Python test.py. Press enter. So here is the output here. Player X choose 1 to 9. So let's give here 9, 7, then 8, 4, 3, 2, 1, and player, let's give there 0. So this is empty now. 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's give there 5, then 6. So here player access win. So this is now code is run successfully and without any problem. This is displaying the output. Now thereafter this here selecting this all. Now simply printing the hello world. So print, then let's write there hello in the double quote, hello world. Hello world, control S to save. File save. Then this here, let's run this. So for this one, simply you need to give the Python test.py. So here you can see according to given the print statement, hello world, this is displayed there. So this is how we can run this Python program in Warp. So I hope guys this video is the helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.